Woorise Marketing Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Woorise is a powerful marketing automation tool designed to simplify and enhance digital marketing strategies, offering an array of features like landing page creation, email marketing, lead generation, and automation workflows. It's ideal for businesses, marketers, and agencies looking to streamline their marketing efforts without the need for complex coding or extensive technical knowledge. With a user-friendly interface, Woorise allows users to easily create professional landing pages, run campaigns, and automate repetitive tasks that would otherwise take up a lot of time. The platform offers a drag-and-drop builder, making it accessible to both beginners and seasoned professionals. Whether you're designing a landing page for a product launch, collecting leads via forms, or sending personalized email sequences, Woorise lets you handle it all in one place. Its automation workflows are flexible, allowing you to create triggers based on user behavior, ensuring your marketing is always relevant and timely. This feature makes it especially effective for nurturing leads through personalized touchpoints at scale. One of Woorise's standout features is its integration with a wide range of third-party tools, from email services to CRMs and payment processors. This makes it highly adaptable to various marketing ecosystems, enabling seamless data flow and better customer insights. For those focused on lead generation, Woorise provides powerful forms that can be customized to fit any campaign, helping you gather crucial information while keeping your audience engaged. Another highlight is the Analytics dashboard, which provides deep insights into your campaign's performance. This allows you to monitor conversions, track engagement, and optimize your strategies based on real-time data, ensuring that your marketing efforts are always improving. Woorise also provides A/B testing tools, letting you refine landing pages and email campaigns for the best possible results. Woorise is particularly beneficial for small to medium-sized businesses and marketing agencies, thanks to its affordability and ease of use. It's designed for those who want to implement advanced marketing automation without a steep learning curve or a hefty budget. Overall, Woorise delivers a comprehensive suite of tools that enable users to run effective, data-driven marketing campaigns with ease. Whether you're looking to generate leads, nurture relationships, or scale your marketing efforts, Woorise makes it efficient and straightforward.